Good morning students, welcome back to the maths class. Today we are going to see the ninth question. Find the area of the glass painting which has a triangle on a square as given in the figure. So this is the glass painting which has a triangle on a square. This is the diagram. So we'll see how to find the area of this diagram. Exercise 2.2, ninth sum. The diagram is glass painting. A square is there. On the square a triangle is there. We have to find the area of this glass painting. First of all, we'll find side of the square. Side of the square is equal to 30 centimeter. Side of the square is equal to 30 centimeter. Now we will find the base of the triangle. Base of the triangle. This is the base. What is the base of the triangle? What will be it is? If this is 30, this is also 30 centimeter. Now the final one is we have to find the height of the triangle. Height of the triangle is equal to, this is the height. The total height is 38. If we want to find only this side of the triangle, it is 38 minus 30, which is equal to 8 centimeter. Before going to the sum, you have to find all the things. Now we find the area of the painting. Area of the painting is equal to area of the square plus area of triangle. Am I right? Yes, there are two diagrams combined, that is square and the triangle. Area of the square formula is a square. Very good. A square plus half into base into height is the area of the triangle. What is the side? 30. 30 into 30 plus 1 by 2 into base 30 into height is nothing but 8. So what is 30 into 30? 900 plus half into you can cancel this, you will get 4. 2 and 8 you cancel, you will get 4. 4 30s are 120. So the next one you have to add this 2. If you add this 2, you can get 1020 centimeter square. So this is the area of the painting. Like this only you have to do it. The next question is, find the area of the irregular polygon shaped field given below. There are two sums are there. One sum I will do. The next sum, it's homework for you. Last class itself I didn't give the homework, so this time you have to do the homework. For the second subdivision is homework for you. First subdivision I will do, so listen carefully and do it as it is. Here is the sum. So draw roughly what is given in the question, and then you put marks as 1, 2, 3. So we'll see what are all the shapes there. What is the shape here? It is triangle. Very good. This is nothing but two parallel sides are there. It is nothing but the trapezium. This side is not parallel. Trapezium. 2 is trapezium. Third is nothing but, I will put a circle mark. Second diagram. This is third diagram. Third diagram is triangle. Very good. Look at this here also. Fourth is triangle. Fifth is a rectangle. The last one is triangle. There are 6 different shapes are there involved in this field. Polygon field. 1 2 3 4 5 6 different shapes combined together form this kind of diagram. One by one we will find, and finally we will add all the shapes, and we will get the area of the full diagram. You are able to understand? So we will see how to do the sum. See, I have marked A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and also their measurements. It's all in the meters. Since I don't have enough space, I would written only the units. It's 80 meters, 60 meter, and 30 meter. So this triangle only we are going to find. Look at this area of the triangle AHE. What is the base? 80 plus 60. What is 80 plus 60? 140. So that one we are going to find. Half into base is 80 plus 60 into height is nothing but this is height of the triangle, that is 30. So you can cancel this and this, we will get 15. So what is 80 plus 60? We will get 140 into 15. Sorry, this is not 30, this is actually 50. Height is nothing but 50, can change it into 50. So if you cancel 2 into 50, you will get 25. So 140 into 25. What is 140 into 25? 3500. 3500 meter square. As I said earlier, these are all meters, so you have to put meter square. Just first part we completed, we are move on to the second. Like this you have to complete all the 6. What is the second diagram? It is a trapezium. The two sides are 50 and 40. The height is 35. Using this measurement we are going to solve the sum. Simultaneously we will have this trapezium. The trapezium is FHIE. Area of the trapezium FHIE is equal to half into height into A plus B. Half into height is nothing but 35. A plus B is 50 plus 40. So we can get half into 35 into, what is 50 plus 40? 90. Very good. So that also you can write it here. So now you can cancel any of this. It is easy to cancel 2 and 90. 4 2s are 8, remainder 1 5. So 35 into 45. 35 into 45, 1575 meter square. Clear? Now we'll move on to the next. Next is nothing but triangle EID. Look at this triangle EID. Area of the triangle EID we are going to find out. Area of the triangle EID is equal to half into base into height. Half into, what is the base of this triangle? Look at this, 65 is here. Very good. 65. What is the height of the triangle? Height is 40. Base is 65. Height is 40. So therefore it is not up to this only, it's 65. Up to D you have to add one more 25. Therefore the base is 65 plus 25. Height is 40. So how will you write here? Base is nothing but 65 plus 25 and height is nothing but 40. Now half into area of the triangle EID equal to half into base into height. Base is 65 plus 25 and here 2 into, if you add this 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90 into 40. So you can easily cancel this. 90 into 20, it's nothing but 180 meter square. You able to understand? Next diagram we are going to see JDC, area of the triangle J, D and C. Area of the triangle JDC equal to half into base into height. Half into base is nothing but 25, height is nothing but 50. Here you can answer 25 into 25. What is 25 into 25? 625. It's very easy. 625 meter square. Next we are going to find the rectangle. Where it is? Here. This rectangle we are going to find. The opposite sides are 50, 50. What is the length of the rectangle? 60 plus 35 plus 65. This is the length of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is nothing but, as I said, 60 plus 35 plus 65 into breadth is nothing but 50. If you add 60 plus 35 plus 65, you will get 160 into 50. 160 into 50 is equal to 8000 meter square. 8000 meter square. The next diagram we are going to see ABG. AB and G, area of the triangle. So area of the triangle ABG is equal to half into base into height, which is equal to half into base is nothing but, what is the base there? 80 into 50. Sorry, 80 into 50. So this also you can cancel. 25 times you will get 25 into 80. You will get 2000 meter square. So all the diagrams we completed one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts we completed. If you want to find the area of the full part, it is easy to add all the things, all the separate things. So now area of the field, polygon field equal to, what is the first area? It is 3500. 3500 plus 1 by 1, 1575 plus 1800 plus 625 plus 8000 plus 2000. Are you able to understand? So area of the polygon, if you want to find, you have to add all the small shapes. If you add all the areas of different shape, you can get 17,500 meter square. Therefore area of field is equal to 17,500 meter square. Like this only you have to complete the answer. Now we are going to the new chapter called 3D. You might have learned what is two-dimensional shapes, that is circle, rectangle, square, triangle, like this. We are going to see the 3-dimension. What you will do now, 3D, 3-dimensional shapes, write like this and draw all the diagrams: cube, cuboid, prism, triangular prism, square prism, cylinder, cone and sphere. So triangular prism, and up to all the 8 diagrams you have to draw it under the topic 3-dimensional 3D shapes. That is very important. Draw. I will pause it here, pause in this video and draw this diagram under the topic 3-dimensional. Next, after that we can move to the face, edge and vertices. You have to draw only this for the square, top, front, right and draw this diagram under the topic face, edge and vertices. So up to this you complete it. We'll see the next class how to do the calculations for the Euler's using the Euler formula. Thank you children. We'll see in the next class. Up to this you have to complete it. Up to this diagram.